like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.
Mag-haul tayo guys. Napunta ako sa Okay sa charity. Ito nabili ko ngayon. O, tingnan nyo. Magandang jumper, orange. Is 50p. Gap ito, gap. O, tingnan nyo. Orange. At saka ito din, jumper. O, bagong-bago John Lewis. Yan, John Lewis to na jumper. Oh. Tignan nyo, bagong-bago, 50p. At ito din, pang winter. John Lewis din ito. Diba? Pang winter ko yan. Ito din, pang winter, Gap. Tignan nyo, Gap. Ang bagong-bago din. Ito ay cardigan. Cardigan yan. At ito din. Kung pupunta ka sa parte, per una mahal ang per una. Yan. Per una. Ito dress. Ganda ito dress na ito kasi may siya. Mahaba sa likod. At exit dyan. Power summer. Diba? New look to. New look. New look. New look niyan. At ito din, dress. Look at this, babe. It's dress. Maganda din itong dress. Tignan nyo ang branded Wallace. See? Mahal ang Wallace na dress. Ito din. Jumper. John Lewis din yan. Alam nyo, yellow. Kung yellow. Yellow din yan. Ito din. Diba? Summer dress. Yes. Bring the Philippines, this one. When I go to beach. Diba? Ganda. See? It's brand new. Yan. Dresses. Ito din, dresses. Maganda din na dress to. Yellow. Diba? New look. Ang what you think this one, babe?
I like it.
50p.
50p.
At ito din, jumper. Diba? Sarah woman. Diba? Diba? Ang Sarah, mahal. Hindi ako nagsashop sa Sarah pag Ito, Max Spencer. Maganda to pag you put inside your cardigans. Max Spencer. 50p. Ito din, diba? Per una, sabi nilang per una, diba? Kung orange, I love orange. Orange ba to? Pink. Pink.
How much was it, babe?
50p.
50p, okay.
Ito din, see, ang mahal ang brand na Pat Face. It look like dress in the house. I wear in the house. When like a house dress. 50p. Ito din, new look. Polo neck. Rolex. For winter. It's good for winter. Yes. See, it's still all brand new. Because you notice it, if it's not brand new, the clothes is
How much, babe?
50p. This one is a jumpsuit. You mean it's jumpsuit meaning all?
Gonna jump off the roof?
It's a jumpsuit. See, the brand, things is What's the things? John Lewis.
But that was expensive, babe.
Not really expensive. It's 50p. You know, it's John Lewis. John Lewis clothing is expensive. No matter what is the quality is. This one is. It's a summer dress. If you go to the beach, just wear this. Going to the beach. It's new look. See?
You look. How much, babe?
50p. This one is 50p as well.
No, 53.
Yeah, it's Debenhams. See Debenhams. You will see Debenhams. 50p. Debenhams. I'll give to mom this one. Look, the fabric is like denim. What's that? The
Cotton denim.
yeah,
Cotton denim.
denim things. That's it, guys. I spent like £5.50
Wow,
for all this.
that's not as much. I had 20 bags of charcoal this morning.
I spent £5.50, guys, for all this.
I spent £5.80 this morning.
£5.50.
Look at the other video for that.
Yan ang haul natin. Charity hauls. That's charity hauls. Doesn't matter you got the charity shop. It's branded, brand new. It's nothing wrong.
Okay.
Okay. We call in the Philippines okay. Even that orange cap is 50p. See? It's 50p. The orange cap is 50p. It's brand new. It's brand new. Never worn. You know, so it's 50p. That's our charity haul, guys.
It'd be the new rapper, couldn't it?
Yeah,
50p.
50p. That's our charity hauls. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa support. Salamat sa mga subscriber namin. Welcome to our our channel. New followers, new subscribers. Salamat. Paalam. Bye-bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.